Zebra are wild animals that live in Africa. They are part of the horse family. Zebra are famous all over the world because of their black and white stripes. These stripes make them look very beautiful and unique. Zebras live in open areas like grassland and savannas. These places have wide field full of grass. Zebra needs open land so they can run freely. They also need open land so they can see danger from far away. Each zebra has a different stripes pattern. No two zebra in the world have the same stripes. Just like human fingerprints, every zebra is unique. This makes every zebra special in nature. Zebra are they never live alone. They always live in groups called herds. A herd can have a few zebras or many zebras together. Living in a herd helps zebras stay safe. If one zebra sees danger, it gives a warning. The whole group then become alert and they all move together quickly. Zebras are always careful and alert. Even when they are eating grass, they keep looking around. They never fully relax in the wild because danger can come anything. Zebras mainly eat grass. They spend most of their day grazing. They move slowly from one place to another. They always search for fresh grass to eat. Water is very important for zebra. They need water every day to survive. That is why they stay near a river and lake. Watering holes are very important places for them. Zebra are a strong animal. They have powerful legs. They can run very fast when they are in danger. Speed helps them escape from predator. The main predator of zebras are lions, hyenas and wild dogs also hunt them. These predators are very dangerous in the wild, so zebra must always stay careful to protect themselves. Zebra are use teamwork. They stay close in a group. When danger comes, they run together. This confuses the predator. Sometimes zebras they faces outward to protect the young ones. This is a strong survival technique. It helps them survive in the wild. Zebra also use their stripes for protection. When many zebras run together, their stripes confuse predator. It becomes hard to target one zebra. This helps them escape safely. There are three main types of zebra. The plain zebra is the most common. The mountain zebra lives in rocky areas. The gravy zebra is large and rare. Plains zebra are found in a large number. They live in many parts of Africa. Mountain zebra live in hills and rocky places. Gravy zebra are mostly found in dry areas. Zebras communicate with each other. They use sound like barking and snorting. They also use body movements. Even their ears show emotion. If a zebra lays its ear back, it may be angry. If it keeps ear forward, it is alert. These small signals help them understand each other. Communication is very important for survival. A baby zebra is called a foal. Foals are very small and weak at birth. They stay close to their mother. The mother protects them from danger. Foals can stand and walk soon after birth. This is very important for survival because predators are always nearby. Quick movement helps them stay safe. Zebras often migrate. Migration means moving from one place to another. They travel in search of food and water. This journey can be very long and difficult. During migration, zebras face many dangers. They cross river and open land. Predators wait for them along the way, but they continue moving as a group. Zebras sometimes migrate with wild beasts. This mixed group helps them stay safer. More animals means more protection. They help each other survive. Zebras play an important role in nature. They help keep grassland healthy by eating grass. They control plant growth. This helps balance the ecosystem. Zebra also help other animals when they move. They clear path in grass. Smaller animals use their path to travel. So zebra help many species. Life in the wild is very hard. Zebras faces danger every day. They face hunger, heat and predator, but they continue to survive. Their strength comes from unity. They survive because they stay together. They trust each other in danger. Teamwork is their biggest power. Zebra usually live 20 to 25 years. Their life depends on survival conditions. Some live longer in safe places, but wildlife is always challenging. Even with all dangers, zebras never give up. They can continue their journey every day. They move, eat, drink, and survive. This is the life of a zebra. Zebras are not just animals, they are a symbol of strength and unity. Their stripes make them unique in the world. Their life teaches survival and teamwork. They show us that unity is power. They show us that survival needs strength. They show us that nature is beautiful but tough, and every creature has a role in it. Zebras are very intelligent animals. They quickly learn how to react in danger. Their survival depends on fast decision. That is why they are always alert in the world. In the wild, every moment is important for zebra. They cannot afford to be careless. Even a short distraction can be dangerous, so they always stay aware for their surroundings. Zebras have very strong hearing and eyesight. They can see movement from far away. They can also hear sound from a distance. These scenes help them detect danger clearly. When zebras run, they move in group. Their movement look like waves across the land. This makes it hard for predator to focus. It is a natural defense strategy. Zebras are very fast runners. They can reach high speed in seconds. Their strong legs help them escape quickly. Speed is one of their greatest strengths. Every young zebra learns to run early. Foals practice running with the herd. This training helps them survive later because life is the wild is always risky. Zebras do not have a fixed home. They keep moving from one place to place. Their life is based on survival, not comfort. They follow food and water source. Sometimes zebras travel through very dry land. Grass becomes rare in these areas. They must walk long distances to find food. This journey tests their strength. Despite difficulties, zebras never stop moving. They continue their journey together. The herd gives them hope and safety. Unity keeps them strong in hard times. Zebras also face extreme heat in Africa. The sun can be very strong during a day. They rest in shade when possible. This helps them save energy. At night, zebras become more calm. They still stay alert but move less. Some zebras take turn watching for danger. This protect the whole group. Zebras are very protective of each other. If one member is weak, others stay close. They do not leave anyone behind easily. This shows strong family bonding. Mother zebras are very caring. They guide their babies carefully. They teach them how to survive and how to stay safe in the world. Wild foals follow their mothers everywhere. They learn everything step by step, from walking to eating grass. Everything is part of survival. Learning zebras also enjoy peaceful moment when there is no danger. They relax. They graze slowly and calmly. These moments are rare but important. Sometimes zebras play with each other. Young zebras especially love to run and jump. This play helps build strength and improves their coordination. Even in play, zebras stay alert. They never fully forget danger. Instinct always keep them careful. This is natural behavior in wild animals. Zebras also interact with other animals. They often share land with antelopes. They also live near wild beasts. Different animals support each other indirectly. When different species gather together, safety increases. More animals mean more eyes watching. This help detect predator faster. Nature creates balance this way. Zebras are very important for